Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Color filters are a powerful accessibility feature that allows you to customize the color output on your Windows 11 computer. By applying different filters, you can adjust colors, contrast, and even grayscale to suit your preferences or specific visual requirements. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to enable color filters. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to turn on color filters using the Settings app. Right-click the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on Accessibility on the left side. Click on Color Filters on the right side. Turn on Color Filters switch. Select the color filter you want. Close the Settings app when done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials and tips. We appreciate your support.